Hi, I'm Paloma Contreras, an interior designer based in Houston, Texas. Welcome to the latest episode of PC at Home. Today I'll be taking you inside my newly renovated kitchen. The old adage that the kitchen is the heart of the home really rings true, especially when you have a young family. So I knew that when it came time to design this space, it needed to be functional, comfortable, and really beautiful. One of the key materials that I selected early on in the process were the countertops. I worked with Aria Stone Gallery because they have the best and most beautiful selection of high-quality natural stone slabs. I knew that for my particular kitchen, I wanted to use one of my very favorite types of white marble, which I find to be classic, timeless, and enduring. I've selected Calicut Caldea in a honed finish. Because the countertops have such beautiful, subtle veining in a variety of colors, it ties a lot of the elements in this kitchen together, from the main cabinetry color, which is sort of a warm, soft taupe, to the color of the island, which is a really pretty soft blue-green, and then all of the lacquered brass accents from the cabinet hardware to the lighting right above me. It really serves as a great unifying factor to bridge the gap between all of those elements and create a really beautiful and cohesive design. I'm a big proponent of natural stone. I really believe that God is the greatest designer there is. So there just isn't anything more beautiful than what was created in nature. So there's a lot of other natural stone elements that you'll find throughout my home. In my formal living room, which skews a little bit more feminine than the rest of the house, I opted for Pietra Gray honed marble from Aria Stone Gallery for the fireplace hearth because I wanted a graphic touch to infuse a sense of tension into the space, which I find is really important and really necessary so that things don't become too one note. You need something that feels unexpected and like a little bit of a surprise in a room. I hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into my newly renovated kitchen. I'm excited to share the rest of my home with you in upcoming episodes, so be sure to stay tuned. In the meantime, leave any questions in the comments section, and I'll see you again.